Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. So today let's talk about how to fix Scruff app crashing on iPhone. So to quickly fix the Scruff app crashing on your iPhone, you can start by first closing the app. You see, when you open your Scruff app and you find some kind of issue going on with the app, from the bottom of your home screen, just swipe up and then pause in the middle to open the app switcher, then swipe right or left to locate the Scruff app, and then swipe firmly upward on the Scruff preview to force close it. Now wait for a few seconds and then try reopening it. Now the next what you can do is update the Scruff app. Just go to your app store, then find Scruff app, and if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next what you can do is offload or reinstall the app. Just go to your device settings, then scroll down to general, and then go to iPhone storage. Then scroll down to find Scruff, or you can just simply search for Scruff in your search bar. Now tap Offload app and then immediately reinstall it. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.